is.
We're on our way to the JapSport Valley Stages. We're about 5 minutes out. Keen.
Oh, that's just a safety tether.
What do you think of the camera position, Elliot? So we're here at the JapSport Valley Stages. The boys have just changed the tyres on the Commodore. We drove the Commodore up this morning on road tyres, so the boys have just swapped them over to the rally tyres. I'm going to be driving the Commodore today, and Dad's going to be in the Datsun. There he is.
I'm going to do 60 kilometres an hour as fast as I'm going to go, and I'm not going to put a scratch on the car. You heard it here first.
So this event's pretty much just practice for the Alpine Rally at the end of the year, so we're just going to cruise through. It's extremely muddy and been raining for the past 3 days, so it's going to be pretty crazy out there. So we're just going to take it easy and hopefully we don't break anything. Let's go check out some of the other cars. Finn, what do you have to say about the event?
No thoughts, head empty. Nah. Looks like it's going to be fun. It's good to be back in the mud.
So, Mr. Tony, what do you think about this event so far?
It's wet and it's going to be slippery and muddy and bloody dangerous, and I'm going to go really slow. So we're just here to give the Datsun a run and get John back in the car with me again. So we'll get some practice for the Alpine and see how we go. Should all be good.
This is our co-chief service crew. Currently putting anti-fog on the windows so that we can see what we're
My
doing.
My talents are wasted here.
This is our other co-chief service crew.
I got up too early and want to go home.
So Dad's just left to go to the start. We're car 66 and he's 53, so we're 13 behind. So we're just getting ready now and then we're going to head out.
What do we got in the booth?
So this is stage 2, Old Mountain Slide Road. It's a 7 o'clock stage. 6.5. We got a minute. Get out there, park, and I'm going to reset everything.
Yep.
No wheel spin.
No wheel spin.
Don't bin it.
Don't bin it.
Don't bin it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. In 500 meters, the road goes right. 400 meters, road goes right. At 300 meters, the road goes right. 200 meters, road goes right. 100 meters, road goes right. At 870 meters, road goes right. 200 meters. 100 meters. And finish.
I'm braking really early because I'm not used to it.
Yeah.
But also I can see in the ground there's some clay
Yeah.
here, so I'm worried that I'm gonna hit the brakes and hit a bit of clay and just slide.
Yeah.
So I'd rather brake early and just cruise than brake late and hit something.
You want to get used to the car first before you do anything
Yeah.
crazy.
Well, I mean, I've never driven this car off road before.
Yeah.
I've driven it
On the road.
on the freeway like
Yeah.
twice.
That's it. Victoria Range Road,
Stage 3.
stage 3.
How many Ks is it?
It is 20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. In 100 meters, continue straight on. In 360 meters, continue straight on. 60 meters. 60 meters, continue straight on. In 160 meters, continue straight on. 200 meters, start Benjamin. 100 meters.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
Yep. In 300 meters, caution, road goes right. 100 meters, caution, road goes right. Yep. In 500 meters, caution, hard to see, turn left, tree on exit, caution, spectators.
Yeah, I got it.
Start gravel. Road goes hard right.
But if it's bad, I'll take that.
In 200 meters, flying finish.
So at this point in the event is where everything went wrong. So at this point we've finished 2 competitive stages. We've finished stage 2, which was Mount Slide, which we lost a bit of time on because we were just getting used to the car. And we'd done stage 3 as well, which we smashed through. I got used to the car by then, and I got a good feel for it, and we were driving really good through that. And we managed to beat the Datsun by more than half a minute, so that was really good. Elliot was on the ball, and we weren't really having any mechanical issues or any issues whatsoever. And then stage 4 happened. During stage 4 we were running fine. About 1 kilometre from the end of stage 4, Elliot got car sick, so we had to pull the plug a little bit.
In 900 meters,
We lost a bit of time and place when we had to pull over. When we got back going again, we were completely out of the right order for the event. We ended up just cruising through stage 5, and we did manage to actually catch up to another car. It was actually these people's first event, and the driver and the navigator were both deaf, so that was a really cool effort for them to both be there. But because of that, they didn't hear us beeping or anything like that. We have a rally safe unit in our car which informs the drivers in front or behind if there's an issue, or if you've caught up, or if you need to move out the way for an overtaking situation. And ours was not working, so we kept pushing the push to pass button, and it wasn't coming up on their screen, obviously. It wasn't really a big deal for us because we were pretty much out anyway, but it did cause a little bit of damage. We have cracked the windscreen on the Commodore.
Push it again.
And it's got a few dents in the bonnet from how close we were because I was trying to overtake. Unfortunately, because I wasn't at service because of how far behind we weren't able to put new cameras in the Datsun as well, which means we pretty much got no in-car footage from the second half of the event. So the Commodore's out. I've just jumped in the car with Finn and Tate to go do the refueling for Dad still with the Datsun. So we're just heading out there now to go refuel his car. We've done 6 stages before service, so we got a fair bit out of the car still. Overall, it's a win. You can see the scratch mark where you've scraped across something. What do you think of this half so far?
We're having a good run actually, but this second goes through, it's very, very wet. So we were going much quicker the first time.
Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Alright. Good luck.
Yeah, go.
the bush, countryside.
You don't really want to.
Probably not very healthy, that, having the whole rear cross member of a 180B just drop its guts down.
Oh, definitely.
We'll have to kind of go backwards there. See you, everyone.
Bye. So our plan for this event was mainly to test the cars. Mitchell's never driven the Commodore before, and this is his first time out in it. And since the Datsun's had the full rebuild, it's had a lot of work done to it.
Yeah, this is its first event since the whole dash has been put back together and all the rewiring and things.
We thought we'd take it out for a run in this event so we could both get used to the cars. So we weren't really fussed about how well we went. Of course, when you start the stage, that all changes and you want to do as good as you can do. But it was good. It was a good event, apart from being very, very wet. So well organised. All the people at the forest were wonderful. Our crew was great, and it was a fantastic event for us and a success. Even though Mitchell did finish early, he got some time in the car, and the car's fine, it's ready to go for the Alpine now. So.
And that's what we really wanted. We just wanted more seat time and time for Elliot to get used to navigating again, time for me to get used to the car. At the end of the event, Tony and John managed to finish 14th outright for VCRS, where Elliot and I had a DNF and we didn't actually start the second half of the event due to him being car sick.
I just wanted to say a massive thanks to Craig and his team and the Nissan Car Club. So much effort goes into these events, and it's a lot of hard work, and we really appreciate you putting this all together for us to go and do these events. I want to thank the sponsors and the crew and all the people out in the forest that give up their time so we can do these events as well. And also for the footage that people kindly sent us so we can put it into this video.
Yeah, once again, thanks everyone for being a part of it. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.